Hi guys, welcome back. Hey, it's the peak of the week again, and you know what that means. Another Wednesday, another shave, and we've got a good one lined up for you today. As you've seen in the thumbnail, no doubt got some new products in the den, and we've got some good stuff to use, so I'll give you a run through it. Now here, the razor today. Look at this, guys. Woohoo! I've been after one of these for quite some time. Edwin Jagger 316 in blue. Wanted a blue one. To be honest, I'd have taken whatever came up. And then I went on eBay, just checking on eBay, and that was there, guys. Look at that, absolute mint condition. Not a scratch, not a mark on it. We got that there. And I paid for it. I won the auction at 4 o'clock, I think it was, Friday afternoon. And that came at 10 o'clock Monday morning in the post. So I don't know what postal service they use, but thank you very much. The blade we're going to be putting in that. A viewer requested Rapira Lux. Rapira Platinum Lux. I think I've used these before, but I don't remember using them before. So let's get it opened. It just says Rapira. Double wrapped. Look at that, no glue spots, absolutely wonderful. Good looking blade there. Rapira Platinum Lux, is that what it says on there? Yeah. Is it? I know it's Russian there, it says it on the back there, look, in English. Rapira Platinum Lux. So we'll get that in there. So how has everybody been doing? It's been a long day today. Okay, so we'll get that in there. We'll get very, very well made. I'll tell you a little bit about this in a minute. So we'll get that in some water to soak. And I'll tell you a little bit from the Edwin Jagger website about the Edwin Jagger 316. I know you probably know it anyway, but it just says made in Sheffield from 316 grade stainless steel, 96.6 millimeters long. It weighs 74.7 grams. I think that's quite light. Most of the ones I like hover around about the 99 grams. Includes a free pack of feather blades, so I must try this with a feather blade if that's on. But it does also say that it works superbly with all of the most popular DE blades. So that's there, Edwin Jagger 316. The brush we're going to be using today. Look at this, guys. Do you see it? Yaqi Atlantis with the coin. I like that coin. I like razors with coins in the bottom. I don't know why, I just do. We'll put that in the John Shaves Super Soaker. You've seen the blade. The balm we're going to be using. It's Real Shaving Company Post Shave Soothing Balm. Helps condition, soothe and moisturise the skin. It's good stuff, that. And last, but by no means least, the pièce de résistance, the one I've been looking forward to the most. Check this out. Mickey Lee Soapworks, the Kraken. Rah! Release the Kraken. Go on, tell me the film in the comments. Release the Kraken. Check this out, guys. Are you ready? Look at this. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. You see it at the back as well. What does it smell like? I'll tell you a little bit about it first. I've got it on here. Try That Soap. TryThatSoap.com. They list all the soaps and all their ingredients and all the scent notes. Now it says the scents in the Kraken. Bergamot, basil, patchouli, oak moss, aqua, saltwater, sea kelp and agave. Or agave is that? Hang on. Shall I tell you what it smells like to me, guys? It smells like freshly laundered linen. Now, when I was a child, we had a laundromat. And whenever you went in the laundrette, we call it a laundrette, some people call it a laundrette. Whenever you went in the laundrette, there would be these big industrial dryers, and they would always smell like fresh linen. Absolutely wonderful, like a mixture of fabric softener and detergent, and the dryers would heat it up and seem to release this concentrated fresh linen detergent smell. And to me, that's what that smells like. But with a hint of salt. It's unbelievable. It's weird. Do you know when you walk by the sea and you can sort of like a faint hint of salt in the air? That's in there. That's absolutely wonderful. And we're going to be balming up, splashing up with that as well. So let's wet the face, crack on with the shave. Oh, and see how it performs. I think it's going to do okay. There you go. Never tried this Mickey Lee Soapworks before, but it says here Mickey Lee Soapworks, handmade in San Diego, California. There. And there is the ingredients. There. Okay. It's lathering up okay. Scent strength, I would put the scent strength at about a 5. Yeah, absolutely wonderful. It smells fantastic. So here we go, and let's see how it does. Look, can you see the sheen on that? Is it? No? Look at this. Absolutely wonderful. What do you think of the haircut, guys? Yeah, the blue razor. I wish I'd have gotten it for the blue shade, but to be honest, that Yaqi one did okay, didn't it? If you're new to the channel, please consider giving me a sub. And for all you guys that come in, week out, cheers. Thank you so much for your continued support. And thanks to everyone who took part in the blue shave. There were so many people said to me, I haven't got a YouTube channel or this, that and the other, but I'm just going to privately have a blue shave so I can be there in spirit. And that's absolutely fantastic. That's what it's about. Look at this, guys. That's okay, isn't it? Very rich. Yeah, very thick lather. It does actually taste like fresh linen. Just got a mouthful of it then. Here we go. 316. Never used it before. Absolute bargain on eBay, guys. So let's see. You've seen yourself, there was a lot of growth there. Haven't had a shave since Saturday. So it's got a lot to contend with. And look at that. Wow, it's took it right down. It really has. I'm impressed. But then again, I've watched lots of videos of people using this. And nobody's got a bad word to say about it. Everybody that's ever used it's liked it and said it's been a good, efficient razor. So, there you go. We got a bargain. Have you had any bargains off of eBay? Have you used Mickey Lee Soapworks? Let me know. It smells absolutely fantastic, guys. Once again, long day. I've been in from work about an hour. I came in, went lay on the bed and fell asleep, so... Oh, guys. But you know, I've got a good job. There are people out there that haven't. So there's always something to be thankful for. And it's the peak of the week. All downhill from here, heading on in towards the weekend. So please, let me know what your shaves of the day are. Let me know what you think of Mickey Lee. I personally think it's wonderful. There is a lot of residual slickness there. It smells absolutely fantastic. Look at that. And it's lathering up a treat. Yeah, absolutely wonderful. I don't know much more about it other than that. But it's good stuff, guys. It's good stuff. So like I said, let me know what your shaves of the day are. Let me know if you've used Mickey Lee. Let me know if you got a 316, what you think of it. Let me know if you did the blue shave. Let me know how your week's going. And I suppose, let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me use in a shave. Please let me know. I'm always open to suggestions. A viewer did get in touch with me and asked me if I would use that. Well, actually what he said was it was his favourite blade, I think he said. So yeah, it is a nice, very sharp, very smooth blade. But I would be keen now, after we've recommended a feather, I would be keen to try a feather in this. I'm not having any problems with the grip. I thought I would have done, but I'm not. It really is quite grippy. Surprisingly enough, it's a good looking razor. It's a lightweight. It's a lightweight razor, certainly 74 grams. But it's doing the job, and we're getting a good clean shave out of it. I'm finished in here. I'm gonna go and cook a meal. I haven't even had a drink yet. Just came straight in from work. Lay on the bed. I've planned on filming this. I planned on just not stopping. Coming in from work, having a wash, and just getting straight on with a shave. And I thought I need to check some emails on my phone from work. And I lay on the bed. Check some emails, just rested the phone on my belly there. Looking at the ceiling, then next thing it was ding. Oh, get up, looked at the clock, an hour had gone past. Oh my word, where does it go? I'm getting old. Yeah, it's a very smooth shave, this, guys. Very, very, very smooth shave indeed. Yeah, I haven't really got anything in mind. Normally when I do these shaves, I'll be honest with you, I do tend to have kind of I generally know, as a general rule of thumb, I know what I'm doing next Wednesday, the Saturday after, and the Wednesday and Saturday after that. But I've just been looking through stuff in my shave den, and I've got so much stuff I need to use, and so much stuff I want to use, and so much stuff I'd like to use, and all these different categories, and I think, can I use? So I thought I'd come in here today and ask you guys. I was going to say, please ask what soap you'd like to see me use in the Saturday shave, and try and think of your most obscure soap you think I might not have, and if I've got it, I'll use it. But then again, I thought, well, no, because what if you'll come up with an obscure soap and I haven't got it? I'm stuffed then, aren't I? Here we go. Lather mittens. Look at that. Look at that for a lather, guys. Look at that. It's good stuff. Absolutely good stuff. Yeah, just the usual suspects. It did pretty close. Did us pretty close. The rest of the place is on the face. Gee. You sat there thinking, John doesn't seem himself. Honestly, guys, to say I'm tired is just a seriously, hugely vast understatement. I don't like to keep harping on about it, but we're 2 or 3 people down at work, and it's just been a case of you 2 that are left are just going to have to try your best and take up the slack, and it's just been, it's tiring. There you go. Absolutely wonderful. We'll call that. Oh, yeah. Oh, do you know? There's no better feeling. That's actually, do you know when you hang your towel out to dry and it goes, oh man, it goes ever so slightly crispy, doesn't it? Oh, ever so slightly abrasive and crispy. Absolutely wonderful. So there you go. Let's have a lean in, look. Look at that, guys. That is as smooth as a baby's bum. Yes, I know, and it looks like one as well, John. There you go. We'll balm up with this wonderful soap. Impressive stuff, that. The scent actually got a little stronger once I lathered up. Not much, but you could notice it. Here we go. What do we get from them? Look at that. Not as... Now, see what I get from this? There's almost like a boozy element to it. But I get that saltiness with it again. It's bizarre. If any of you know what that is, please let me know, because it's wonderful. It's just there, like there's salt in the air. It's bizarre, but it's so nice. And we'll balm up with this skin food. Wow. I opened that and it splashed all over my hand. And that's our shave, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. Bit of a subdued one today, eh? Oh, yeah. But it's been a good day. There are blessings there, aren't there, to be had throughout the day. Get it up the arms. And that's it. That's our shave. Like I said, please let me know what your shaves of the day are. Let me know what you'd like to see me using some up and coming shades. Sunday Spotlight's coming. Let me know what you'd like to see in the Sunday Spotlight. I've already got a couple of big ideas. But that's our shave, look. Edwin Jagger, 316. Did an absolutely superb job. What I should do now is I should do this. Freeze frame and then do a before and after. But I just haven't got the brains. Just haven't got the brains for it. There's what we used. Have a wonderful week, guys. Look after yourselves. Take care of yourself, Kim. Please, we're all rooting for you. Kim's going through hell, isn't she? And here, this one is for you, Kim. In order for the branches of a tree to reach for the heavens, its roots must first descend into hell. We're all with you, kiddo, rooting along. Take care of yourselves, people, and I will see you on Saturday, surprisingly enough, for the Saturday shave. Bye.